Thank you so much for staying with us. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at gestational diabetes.
The Health Report is brought to you. Gestational diabetes is a type of diabetes that can develop during pregnancy. It happens when the body cannot produce enough insulin to meet the increased needs during pregnancy. This often leads to elevated blood sugar levels.
The signs and symptoms of diabetes are the same whether you're pregnant or not. So it may be excessive hunger, excessive thirst, frequent urination. You may have itching, and you may have blurred vision, depending on what is happening at the time. But the normal antenatal screening has blood sugar levels as one of its components.
The cause is not fully known, but women over the age of 25, those with a family history of diabetes, and those who are obese are among those at risk. The condition is also more common in Hispanic, Black, Native American, and Asian American women. Babies born to women with a gestational diabetes are often more closely monitored after birth.
Remember now, mommy had this higher than normal level of blood sugar, and baby now is born and would have been used to those levels. And now when baby is making the transition from in utero to extra utero life, the baby now has to adjust to its own blood sugar levels and is at risk for low blood sugar. So once we have babies of diabetic mothers, we usually monitor them more closely.
Management for gestational diabetes includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, blood sugar monitoring, and medications.
Once you become pregnant, however, if you were pre-diabetic and you were taking medication, because of the levels of the hormone and the whole dynamics of pregnancy, we usually convert you from your oral medication to subcutaneous or insulin, and we monitor you on insulin throughout the pregnancy, and then post-pregnancy you may go back on your medication or your diet.
With your Health Report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. The Health Report is brought to you by